Hi Sonia, hi Srijan, congratulations. We farmed up on a very good house in a very good place in a very good price. I'm very proud of you guys and myself.
You should be.
Let's for my other customers. Okay, so we tell something about why you decided to work with me, how long we are working, and what you liked.
Well, initially when we started, we didn't anticipate it, but believe it or not, it took almost 3 years for us to close our first house. We've been more on the cautious and we are first time home buyers as well. So we didn't know anything, and Ankur has been really patient. He's been also very meticulous in providing information, coaching, helping understand what to look for in a house, what's good, what's required in the market. And I think the plus point for him is that he is also like a seller's agent, so he can think from both perspectives. When you're buying, what will help and what sells in the market. So that has really helped us, and overall just that learning, getting to know about roof or HVAC or how lots appreciate or how properties appreciate, that has helped. So that has been amazing.
First time home buyers, we are like initially we are really confused. We don't know what we should take. Or through all these years, I think we learned a lot from you, Ankur. I think we learned a lot about how to look at a house from starting our beginning interaction to the end of the interaction. We gained a lot of knowledge for sure, and that is one of the main knowledge gaining experience for us. If we are going into a house, we know what to look at, and if something comes up, how to handle it up. And our budget is very low initially, and you helped us look. Our budget initially was less, but you helped us see some houses and look the value ahead in the future. How is it going to be if you update what the value of the house would be than the current situation of the house. We were all over the places as a first time home buyers. We don't know what to do. We are looking in Oakville, we are looking in Hamilton.
Yeah, we've looked so many areas.
And
Yeah.
Sometimes it is
So how about the neighborhood knowledge and information?
Yeah, I think we came to know about how to look, what school to look, and what are those.
Like how is an
nitty-gritties.
area identified as a good area? That we came to know after working with you. That you look at certain things, like you look at schools, you look at the houses around, you look if there's a construction around, new condos coming up or not, things like that helped.
So we told you that we would be comfortable living around Lakeview area and all, and
Finally we found the area that we
found
always it almost feels unreal because we got it at a price that hasn't been a selling price for a while. So yeah.
we are really happy with the negotiation. We started like for 1.1 million house. We got it at a very good price. We are really happy with
We negotiated almost $140,000 down, which is
140K down. Yeah, that's something. We always looked at those houses that already sold for cheap, and we are telling you, Ankur, can we get it at that price? And finally, I think we got it. Instead of working with you, it's more like a kind of what you call friends and family kind of environment.
Yeah, I think for me it's definitely the wisdom, like which things are deal breakers and which things you can let go. Being also very detail oriented person that I am, that has helped me, like look at the big ticket versus the small ticket. And sometimes, like when we were making the offer also, we had this discussion that would we be okay if we don't get the house, and would it be okay to just put a little bit more to take the house. I think all of that has been crucial, and it's gonna stay with me. So yeah, I'll end it on that note.
To be frank, we are new to Canadian market and we don't know anything. We don't know how things work here, and actually it's very good to have a trusting person, a person who you can trust, and who had that patience if you have so many doubts, because as a first time home buyer you'll have so many doubts. Is this price right for me and all, and we are very scared to put an offer in the beginning, and I think that fears have been alleviated by you address those fears like with honesty and with Facts.
Do you feel any push or pressure that
No
must
pressure
buy?
at all.
No
No pressure at all. Like for me, one of the
You should not ask us about pressure.
I know. I know.
We took the longest
We
time.
took the longest time. Yeah.
If you want to understand pressure, then you should talk to us.
I was always worried that, oh, what if I'll end up buying a home that is like a renovation pit? Or what if I'll end up buying a home that has been so well done on the outside but has some major structural issues on the inside that if I've bought into it, I can't come out. But both of it was kind of resolved and we landed somewhere midway, so that's good. Yeah.
No, thank you very much. It's a real deal, and I'm very happy for you. We could take advantage of this market, and your patience also helped. And very happy for you, and
Thank you.
wait to see what you do
Thank
to
you,
it.
Gokul.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Excited
Thank you
to
very
turn it into a home.
Thank
And
you
we would
for your
definitely
best.
suggest you for someone. It's not like just because you're taking a
No.
review, but we would have definitely given a review from our end.
No,
Thank you very
you
much.
so much.